Today we will try to solve an interesting exam riddle. Here we have a starting material, an alkyne functionality, two tertiary butyl groups, and here an acetic acid ester at this position. We have as a reagent a rather strong base, potassium T-butoxide, and it will result as the main product in this cumulene lots of cumulated double bonds. This product is rather stable, melts at about 184 degrees, and yellow crystals are isolated. So, what is the task? Please try to figure out the reaction mechanism by yourself before watching the solution that I will present. So, we have a base. The base will deprotonate, and the only rather acidic hydrogen is that sitting at the alkyne. So, deprotonating as the first step. Then we will obtain such an acetylate anion and if this anion will transform to a neutral molecule, this is possible by eliminating the acetate group. Resulting then in this alene system with a carbene functionality. So, and if carbenes don't find any other reaction partner, those carbenes will try to dimerize. Well, and here we have the dimerization product of this carbene. 1, 2, 3 carbons here, and with the dimerization of carbenes, a new CC bond is formed, the one here in the middle. That's it. Thanks for listening.